Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best DJ headphones available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Oneodio Wire DJ Headphones. The first thing I noticed was the sound quality. The 50mm neodymium drivers deliver an impressive audio experience. Whether I was listening to music, working on audio production, or monitoring recordings, the headphones reproduce sound with a natural balance. Comfort is a big deal for me since I often wear headphones for hours at a time while working or DJing. The thick padding on the headband and ear cups immediately stood out. Both are covered in protein leather, which feels soft against the skin and adds a touch of luxury. One of my favorite features is how flexible and portable these headphones are. The headband adjusts easily to fit any head size, and I have a slightly larger head, while the ear cups rotate both left and right. This rotation is especially handy for single ear monitoring when DJing. I've always found it frustrating when headphones require separate adapters for different devices, so I was thrilled with the dual-duty cable system. The detachable spring cable comes with 3.5mm and 6.3mm plugs on each end, making it incredibly versatile. Durability is another area where these headphones shine. They're made from black matte plastic with chrome finish trims, giving them a sleek yet sturdy look. Some parts even have a slightly rubbery feel that enhances grip and prevents slipping. At number 2 is the Mifo Pioneer DJ Disc Headphone. The first thing I noticed when I plugged in the Pioneer DJ Disc Headphone was the sheer clarity of the sound. Whether I'm fine-tuning a mix or monitoring the crowd's reaction, these earphones deliver every beat, note, and transition with precision. The audio quality is crystal clear, and I can hear even the smallest details in my tracks. One of the things I love most about these earphones is their versatility. They're not just limited to studio use, they're perfect for live performances too. As a mobile DJ, I need gear that can adapt to different setups, and these earphones deliver on that front. Comfort is a big deal for me because long gigs can be exhausting. Thankfully, the Pioneer DJ Disc Headphone doesn't disappoint in this department. They're lightweight and ergonomically designed, so I can wear them for hours without any discomfort or fatigue. If there's one thing every DJ needs from their gear, it's durability, and this is where the Pioneer DJ Disc Headphone truly shines. These earphones are built tough with high-quality materials that can handle the wear and tear of life on the road. From club gigs to festival stages, I've put them through some pretty intense conditions, and they've held up beautifully. At number 3 on our list is the Maono MH601 headphones. The first thing I noticed about the Maono MH601 was its 50mm large aperture driver, which delivers outstanding sound quality. The clarity across an extended frequency range is remarkable, allowing me to hear every detail in my audio. Whether I was mixing tracks or listening to my favorite songs, the bass response was deep and accurate without being overpowering. One of the things I love about the Maono MH601 is how versatile it is. The 3.5mm jack makes it compatible with a wide range of devices, including PCs, laptops, smartphones, tablets, and iPads. Additionally, it comes with a 6.35mm adapter, which is perfect for connecting to mixers or phantom power devices, something I found incredibly useful during studio sessions. Comfort is a big deal for me when it comes to headphones, especially since I often wear them for hours at a time. The Maono MH601 excels in this area with its soft earmuffs and circumaural design that contours around the ears. Not only do they provide excellent sound isolation by reducing external interference, but they're also breathable enough to prevent discomfort during long sessions. Moving up at number 4 is the Altron HE580 Professional Monitor Headphone. The first thing I noticed about the Altron HE580 is its ceramic build. This material choice gives the headphones a unique feel, sturdy yet lightweight. The over-the-ear design ensures a comfortable fit for extended listening sessions, which is essential for professional use like DJing or studio monitoring. While the ceramic material adds a touch of elegance, it also feels durable enough to withstand regular use. The dynamic vocalism principle used in these headphones ensures decent sound reproduction. While the driver diameter isn't specified, I found the audio quality to be clear and balanced for most applications. The Altron HE580 sticks to the basics with its wired connection. It uses a standard 3.5mm audio jack, making it compatible with most devices like laptops, PCs, and audio interfaces. There's no wireless functionality here, no Bluetooth, NFC technology, or fancy codecs. For someone like me who prefers the reliability of wired connections during professional work, this wasn't an issue at all. At number 5 is the ISK HD9999 HD monitor headphone. The first thing I noticed about the ISK HD9999 is its elegant and professional design. These headphones manage to look both modern and understated, which is perfect for a studio environment. Despite their solid construction, they feel surprisingly light, which makes them easy to wear for extended periods. Comfort is crucial during long mixing or recording sessions, and this is where the ISK HD9999 excels. The earmuffs are made from high-protein leather, which not only feels soft, but also adds a touch of luxury. They provide a good seal around the ears without causing excessive pressure, ensuring comfort even after hours of use. The low impedance, 32 ohms, and moderate sensitivity, 96 dB plus or minus 3 dB make these headphones compatible with a wide range of devices. Whether I'm using them with my audio interface or directly plugged into my laptop or phone, they deliver consistent performance. The ISK HD9999 features a single-sided detachable cable, which adds convenience and portability. It comes with two cables, a straight one and a coiled one, both of which include a secure screw-on 6.3mm adapter. This flexibility allows me to adapt to different setups easily, whether I'm working at my desk or moving around during live sessions. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.